welcome back to CHALEESE Bakes Cakes here on Wisdom Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, so you don't miss out on all the fun happening here. Today we are talking all things sprinkles. You can never have too many sprinkles. That's not true. I have too many sprinkles, but I'm not upset about it. I'm actually pretty happy about it. I don't know if my husband is, but you know, sprinkles are life, guys. All right, so there's lots of different kinds of sprinkles, as you guys can see right here. I have all sorts of different sprinkles. So when I'm gonna place sprinkles on my cake, make sure that your cake either is just barely frosted, that way the buttercream is still warm and they'll get on there really well. Or sometimes I like to freeze my cake first, because sometimes if the buttercream is too warm, then it makes indents in your buttercream and you don't want that. But sometimes it's too frozen, so it's kind of a happy medium. I've done it both ways, so you guys just kind of experiment in your kitchens. Also, as you can see with a lot of the sprinkles that I get, there's really big baubles in our sprinkles. And sometimes when I'm trying to put them on, the baubles get in the way and it's just a problem. So I have some sprinkles here, but I just took out the baubles. I know it takes a minute, but it's worth it. I took out the baubles so that my sprinkles will go on my cake a little bit easier. You guys don't have to do this step, but it does help. Okay, so I have some sprinkles here, and now I'm just gonna show you guys how we put them on our cake. You guys, this will save your life in the kitchen. Put a cookie sheet and put your cake on the cookie sheet, and it will catch all the crazy sprinkles that try to fall all over your kitchen. Your family and your husband, or whoever you live with, will be so grateful that you put this pan underneath your cake. It really does help. So now all I'm gonna do, you can take it out by your hand. I'll show you a few different ways. And we just kind of press it up the side of our cake, guys. Super easy. It's not hard. I promise you that. It's not hard. So yeah, you can either take little handfuls and just press those sprinkles gently into the sides of your cake, or you can even dump the sprinkles here just around your cake and then press them up. I don't know which one I like to do, but like I said, you guys, it's all about experimenting in your own kitchen, what you guys like and what you guys don't like. And that is the beauty of all this baking. You guys can decide for yourself what techniques work for you. So like I said, all we do is just press them into the side of our cake. It's super easy, guys, super easy. And then you get a lot of excess sprinkles and you can push them back up there, right on top of your cake. All right, and then after we get our sprinkles on, I have my extra little baubles. So that's when I'm like, okay, they might look good here. Let's put a bauble here. You just kind of place them back on your cake where you think that they will look really good. And instead of them just kind of being placed there, you are in charge of where you want to put your baubles. And I think that makes all the difference in cake decorating, is you guys can decide where you want to put them instead of them just kind of going all over. So, put our baubles on, and then we got some fun sprinkles on our cake, guys. I told you it's super easy how to get these sprinkles on your cake. And so go get in those kitchens and put some sprinkles on. Easy peasy, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out here on Wisdom Wednesday as we shared this easy, fun tip about what else? Sprinkles. I love sprinkles, guys. I just can't help it. Make sure and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for hanging out today.